In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Typeform to HubSpot step by step. This is one of the best setups if you want to automatically send leads from your forms directly into your CRM without any manual work. First, open your Typeform account and make sure your form is already created with important fields like name, email, and any qualifying questions. Next, open HubSpot in another tab and sign into your account. Now go back to Typeform and open the form you want to connect. Click on the Connect or Integration section inside the form settings. Search for HubSpot in the Integrations list and select it. Then click Connect to start linking both accounts. Typeform will ask you to authorize access to your HubSpot account. Once you approve it, you'll be able to choose what happens with each form submission. Next, select the HubSpot object you want to send data to, usually contacts. Then choose the right pipeline or list where new leads should go. After that, map your Typeform fields to HubSpot properties. For example, connect email to email, name to contact name, and any extra answers to custom fields if needed. Once everything is mapped, run a test submission. This ensures your data is correctly appearing inside HubSpot. If the test works fine, save the integration and publish your form. From now on, every time someone submits your Typeform, their details will automatically be added to your HubSpot CRM as a new contact. And that's it. You've successfully connected Typeform to HubSpot and automated your lead management process. And that's how you connect Typeform to HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.